Welcome, mediums. Let's begin with this quote. Dreams do come true once we start believing that it does. So today's topic is about carriers, the types of carrier. So let us see what a carrier mean and what are the different types of carrier. Carriers refers to the person or animal who harbors the infectious agent in absence of any clinical symptoms, and they shed the organism from their body either via contact, air, or secretion. So the person or the animal, they will be having that organism in their body, they will be shedding it also, but they will not have any clinical symptoms. This results due to inadequate treatment or immune response, which leads to incomplete elimination of the organism from their body. Though the carriers are less infectious than the cases, but they are more dangerous as they goes undetected and they continue to transmit the pathogen organism for a longer period. Now let us talk about the types of carrier. First we have incubatory carriers, as the name suggests, incubatory, so something to do with the incubation period. Incubation period means the time duration between the exposure to the pathogen and development of the symptom, so that duration between that two. So incubatory carriers are those who shed the organism during the incubation period. So when they are in the incubation period, they will shed the organism. The examples are measles, mumps, polio, diphtheria, pertussis, hepatitis B, and influenza. Second, we have healthy carriers. So who are healthy carriers? Healthy carrier refers to the subclinical cases who develop into carriers without suffering from the disease. So without suffering from the overt disease, they develop into carriers. And here we have examples like polio, cholera, salmonellosis, diphtheria, meningococcal meningitis. The third type we have convalescent carrier. So convalescent carrier is the one who has recovered from the disease, but they continues to harbor and shed the pathogen. All these three types come under the category of temporary carriers. Let us see. So on the basis of duration of carriage, they are subdivided into temporary and chronic carriers. So the temporary carrier will be shedding the organism for less than 6 months, and what we discussed now, incubatory, healthy, and convalescent carriers, these come under temporary carrier. The chronic carrier shed the organism for indefinite period. For example, hepatitis B, typhoid fever, malaria, and gonorrhea. And on the basis of the source, depending on the source, we have two types of carrier: contact carrier and paradoxical carrier. Contact carrier is a person who acquires the pathogen from a patient. So they acquire the pathogen from a patient, hence they are known as contact carrier. And paradoxical carrier refers to the person who acquires pathogen from another carrier. So if they acquires the pathogen from another carrier and they became a carrier, that is known as paradoxical carrier. Hope it was helpful. We'll get back to you soon. Let's end with this quote: dreaming it and living it. I want to enjoy both. Thank you.